Hello, good morning. This is Ria. I'm a board certified US physician and I'm investing in real estate. Today we have a light snow. Our temperature is 40 degrees, so the snow is, the flurries are melting when they're hitting the ground. And this coming Wednesday and Thursday, we will have about 8 to 12 inches of snow, so that's 1 foot. So what I'm doing is I'm here in my properties and making sure that there's enough salt and a shovel. And also it's very important that you communicate with your snow guy that you should be on the list for snow clearing, especially when we have this winter snowstorm of about 1 foot or probably more or less, it depends. So right now I'm checking to make sure that I have my salt ready in the properties, and I have the shovel. So usually the snow guy takes care of that for you. And then what I usually do after they shovel and plow the driveway, I double check to see that they did a great job. And I just have this on standby. Salt, especially if there's like black ice, you just throw them and shovel, which you would also need. So be safe. There's a winter storm coming. Take care and happy investing.